Hello everybody, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. So today we are adding some money into our mini savings challenges, and I'm going to explain what I'm doing. I have 8 envelopes and I have 8 little savings challenges. On the back of these little minis is the number 1 through 8, and whatever we save on that challenge will go into my 8 envelopes that I've redone. Again, I changed my mind. I wanted to do this setup. I have had these little mini challenges for a very long time, and I have decided that this is the way I wanted to do it. So this is Friday's minis. So this is the envelope or the challenge number, and this is how much we are going to save. So we have got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. $43 going into these little minis. And get this out of the way. Put that there. So there's one. Okay, let's see. 1. Okay. 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to scoot these up a little bit. Let me see here. Let me move this over just a tad bit. And we'll get these other 6. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, we got it. I got it. I got it. They're not perfect. I'm not perfect, but we're going to get this done. So let's see here. So here we go. Number 4. Number 7 is going to get $4. So 7 is going to get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 is going to get 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Number 5 is going to get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how we're going to do this. Hey, let's do it this way. It might be a little bit better. Let's just fold the money and put it on there. Okay. Now, y'all can tell I've not videoed in a while. I'm getting on that. Number 6 is going to get 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 2 is going to get 1. Number 3 is going to get 1. Number 3 is going to get 2. Number 2 is going to get 6. So I'm going to say 5 and 6. Oh my gosh, it is. But Rudy, quit looking at me. Oh, I just threw my dice. Number 5 is going to get 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3 is going to get 5. Number 2 is going to get 6. And number 1 is going to get 3. 1, 2, 3. And we have $2 left. So I'm going to take these $2 and put it right here on this one. Poor number 8 didn't get anything. So now what I'm going to do, we'll put that one over there. It didn't get nothing. This one actually got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to color in 4 little spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put this one right here. Let me get me some more little paper clips. Paper clips. I couldn't remember what they're called. Paper clips. So guys, we have been actually trying to get everything done with the chicken coop. Oh my God, that has been a mess and a half. So, you know what? I'm just going to write in a 3 here because these are smaller, you know, not that many little circles. So we're just going to do that. But we have been working on the chicken coop, and where we live by creeks, we have got river rats like crazy. They're not bothering my chickens, but they are absolutely just tunneling like crazy. And I don't know what to do about it. It's just about blown me away. Okay, so this little cutie is a chicken, a little chick. So let's see, the first one was 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just do 4. And then the next one was 1, 2, 3. So I will take this, put it right here. It's just a fun little way to save money and put it in a certain spot. Because Lord knows I've been through it for the last 6 months, and it's just absolutely been not very well. It's been a rough go. So we have 2, so I'm going to color in a 2. And this one is number 4. So that will go into envelope number 4. And if this is the first time you all have seen what I'm talking about with my envelopes, I will show you at the end what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. This one is 3. So we'll color in a 3. And then the other was 2, 3. The other one was 3 also. So I will color in this 3. I like these super little minis. These little minis are so easy for me to do because I take all my tip money and put it into an envelope, and then when I decided to do savings challenges, I can just pull it out and do one of these at a time, you know. Like I said, I have got a lot that I've been going through, and I want to use them, but I really didn't have an idea of how I wanted to use them. Okay, so this one, the first one was a 1. The second one was a 6. And the third one was a 6. So this one will go into envelope number 2. And I'll show you what my envelopes are in just a second. Let me get this finished up. My cats are looking at me like I'm crazy or I'm talking to myself, but that's okay. They'll get over it. Okay, first one was a 5. And then 1, 2. And then 1. So we'll just take this money and put it together. And each of these little minis, like I said, has got a place to go. And we'll put that right there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, and poor little number 8 didn't get anything. And that was probably the important one. Okay, so envelope number 1 is utilities. Envelope number 2 is transportation. Envelope number 3 is housing, which is mortgage and mortgage insurance. Number 4 is bills, which is a firm. Number 5 is groceries. And the groceries, what I'm trying to do is save up to go to BJ's or Costco or Sam's Club. The next one is health. I think it's number 5 or number 6. And then pets. And number 8 is entertainment. Entertainment, I may change that to something different, but entertainment really is like taking Maddie out somewhere, my grandson. But you do see I do have $16 in pets. I had another challenge that I was doing, but I decided against that. It was just too complicated, and I wanted something simple. So these little things right here is going to go into this little zipper pouch. And when I finish it, I will bring you guys in and show you me putting what savings I got into here. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Sorry it's been a ramble or it took a while. Thank you all so much for your love, support, comment, like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys. Oh, wait a minute. That one right there is done. Hold up. I got to pull this one because this one is done. So this one, I just noticed that. Glad I did. So it'd be 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will go into envelope number 3. I didn't get to show you, don't I? Okay. 1, 2, 3 is housing, and it's got $8. So I will slide. Oh, wait, that envelope was open. So I'm going to slide this into housing. And then I'm going to write today's date, which is April the 10th. So I will put 4/10. And we had a total of $8. So it now has $8. Okay, well, that was exciting and lovely. So this one will go into the finish, and I will find a number 3 and put, no, this is finished. We will be doing, yeah, I had to put in another 3. Never mind. Sorry for the rambling. Remember to always wear a smile because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.